All right, we're gonna go through how to do a buy stop limit order using the Alpaca Markets API. A stop order is essentially a stop market order. So once a certain price is hit, a market order is automatically sent. A stop limit is once a certain price is hit, a limit order is sent. So what I mean by that is, let's say we're doing Boeing here. We have a stop order, a buy stop at 150. Once the price of Boeing goes down, hits 150, we're going to place that market order. It could be that it executes at 150 and 20 cents or something like that. Whereas if we have a stop limit where the stop limit price is 150, once it hits 150, it goes down to 150, it's going to send a limit order. And if the price jump back up to 150.20, it will not execute the order until it goes back down to 150 even or below. So we'll just use Boeing for example purposes here for this request. So let's go over to the API documentation here, head over to API reference in orders, and we're going to build this order for Boeing, and we'll do 10 shares as the buy stop limit. And we'll leave the time of force as day. Now, if you don't have your key and your secret key in here on the dashboard, you can always choose to regenerate these if you don't have them stored somewhere safe. So go ahead and grab those wherever they may be and place them in so that the request that's being built will automatically place those new values in. So you can see this is built here. It's our buy stop limit order of 10 Boeing shares. We just need to put in a price. Like I said, we'll just use 150 like we were talking about in that example earlier. So this is for the stop price. And then it should be good to go. So let's go ahead and copy this request, and we will paste it into a blank Jupyter notebook. I always like to import JSON because I want the response message to look nicer. So JSON.loads, and we'll shift enter to run this. Oh, okay, so we need a limit price and a stop price. So let's say we want to just keep those both the same. So 150 and 150. Let's copy this. We'll redo this here one more time. Technically, we don't need to import JSON again, but we'll do it anyways. JSON.loads, shift enter to run it, and it runs. Boeing 10 shares, its stop limit order, stop price and limit price both at 150. So that is a buy stop limit order for Boeing.